Hello. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip on resizing objects using your keyboard arrows rather than going to the design panel. Let's create a rectangle here on the canvas. And while it's selected, if we use the arrow keys, it can be nudged around the canvas 1 pixel at a time. Or when holding Shift while using the arrow keys, it will move according to your big nudge setting. Using similar keyboard shortcuts, to resize the rectangle, we can hold down Command on a Mac or Control on Windows and use the arrow keys to change the width and the height 1 pixel at a time. Just like nudging, add Shift into the mix and you can adjust the width and height based on your big nudge amount setting. This will also work with multiple objects selected. So let's add a circle and select both objects. And now we can resize them both at the same time. I hope that this quick tip will help you out as you're working in Figma, and I'll see you next time.